Lesson 6, Zoom Slider and Page Layout. In this lesson, we'll take a look at the lower right controls, the Zoom Slider, the Page Layout view, and the new Worksheet icon. Well, remember one of the Office design rules was that everything starts at the top. Somehow, a few controls managed to get down here to the bottom. If we want to zoom in and zoom out, and this worked in the old Excel as well, if you have a mouse with a wheel on it, just hold down the Control key while you scroll the wheel. You can very quickly zoom in or zoom out using the mouse. That's a pretty cool trick. But in addition, Excel 2007 offers a zoom slider here, where it's now very easy to zoom all the way in to see the detail in a chart or in a cell, or zoom all the way out so you can see literally hundreds of pages at once. The zoom slider allows you to very quickly zoom in and out, and I think that's a great new addition. Next to the zoom slider are three tiny little icons. They're called Normal, Page Layout, and Page Break Preview. Now you probably recognize Page Break Preview because we've had it before under the View menu. Basically, it draws in blue lines that shows you where the page breaks are going to occur. This is always a resource-intensive mode, and to be frank, I've never really used it a lot in Excel 2003. They've added something brand new, though, in Excel 2007, and I really like this, especially when I'm getting ready to print the document. It's called Page Layout View, and basically what happens here in Page Layout View is we actually see the printed page as it's going to appear, along with the white space on the left, the right, the top, and the bottom. In addition, I still have the worksheet. I can still come over and add new text and continue to work in the worksheet in page layout mode. It's not like anything's grayed out. I can continue to build the worksheet, which I think is pretty cool. Now, a couple of things we can do here in Page Layout View. If we would go to Page Layout, choose Margins Narrow, we'll first of all see that our 128 pages become 64 pages because we've now made that page fit, which is an easy thing to do. The other great option we have is up here at the top of each page. There are actually three zones, the three header zones, left, center, and right. And at the bottom of the page, three zones, left, center, and right. When we click in any of those zones, we have a new tab, Header and Footer Tools Design tab, where we can very easily choose various items for the header. So page 1 of whatever, or the file name, or any of these canned items, or it's very easy to build our own items. So I can put current date, space, current time, space, and maybe the file path in the center header. Whereas before we had to visit File, Page Setup, and build the header and footer there, we can now do this very easily using these icons in Header and Footer Tools Design, and you get to see the results immediately. Something brand new in Excel 2007 is here under the options, we can now finally have different headers on the first page or different headers on odd and even pages. This is something that Word users have been able to do for a long time. And they finally now have added this to Excel 2007, where we can set up different headers and footers for the odd and even pages. That's a great addition. Well, the last new control that we have at the bottom of our worksheet is the new Worksheet icon. Before, we would have used Insert Worksheet. Now they make it very easy just to click on the new Worksheet icon and get a brand new worksheet. Of course, if you need to move it to a new spot, we can just drag it to the proper place. And if you want to rename, of course, double-click and rename the sheet. Well, that's a quick view of the controls we have down at the bottom of the spreadsheet. The zoom slider, the new page layout view, which I think is great, and the new worksheet icon. I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.